Today, we gather to officially inaugurate our colleague Anna Sabidussi.
There are limits to what our planet can give us. Businesses do possess the skills and the capability to actually make a difference, to have a positive impact.
Even if it's a small thing you do on the daily, if you do that for 20 years, you will already make a positive impact. It will generate a movement into a good direction for the planet and for the people. So.
There's so much more out there, and we are also across industries dealing with the same challenges on sustainability. And it's important to have the dialogue and to take the time and to also look outside our normal bubble, so to speak.
We have to look for the root cause, and I think that's one thing that should be the intrinsic motivation for students to be involved and participate in sustainability.